In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML code to your website using Hostinger's website builder. Whether you're looking to integrate a special widget, enhance your website with custom functionality, or simply personalize your online space, modifying your site with HTML can be a game changer. Let's walk through each step so you can make these custom changes confidently and effectively. First, you'll need to open your website in the Hostinger website builder. Navigate to your Hostinger account and log in, a straightforward but essential step that gets you to your website dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're in, select the specific page area where you'd like to add your custom code. This is an important part of the process as it ensures your HTML is embedded exactly where you want it. Spend a moment to decide whether you want the code on the home page, a contact page, or perhaps a blog section. Being clear about the location is critical because it influences how the functionality or widget will be displayed to your site's visitors. After selecting the right spot, you'll need to choose the Embed HTML option from the available elements in the website builder toolbar. This feature is a powerful tool that allows you to integrate custom codes without delving deep into backend programming. Once you click on Embed HTML, a text space will open up for you. In this designated area, you can paste your custom HTML code. Make sure your code is complete and verified, as even a tiny error can cause unexpected behavior on your website. If you're handling complex code, check it twice or use an HTML validator to ensure it's in top shape. Having pasted your HTML code, it's time to save your work. This step is crucial to ensure that none of your changes are lost and everything you've done is secured. After saving, preview your website to see your HTML code in action. It's an opportunity to view the changes in real time and verify that everything is working just as you imagined. Use different devices for this preview to guarantee that your code integrates smoothly across multiple platforms, providing a consistent user experience for all visitors. Once you've confirmed everything looks and functions correctly in the preview, you're ready to go live. Publish your website by hitting the Publish button, making your custom HTML available for the world to see. Doing so will bring your updates online, allowing visitors to experience the enhanced functionality immediately. And there you have it, a streamlined and effective way to add custom HTML to your Hostinger website. Dive into making these edits confidently and watch as your website transforms with personalized elements. Remember, every change you make enhances the visitor experience, bringing your digital vision to life. Happy coding, and enjoy your newly customized site.